Cersanit has enjoyed years of success in Poland and abroad, with continuing support for its international growth. With the rapid changes taking place in the company, we chose to replace its current name of Roveze with Cersanit, its original name. We want the company to be identified with a renowned and valued brand. We combine tradition with cutting-edge technologies, translating this into a well-established market position. Today, we are one of the major players in Poland and abroad. We operate both in Eastern and Western markets. We are a leading ceramics producer in Ukraine and Romania. We manufacture more than 8 million ceramic products. This means we rank 7th in the world and 3rd in Europe. We are the largest Polish tile producer. Annually, we manufacture enough tiles to encircle the globe with a 2-meter wide ring. The latest tile producer rankings place us in 2nd position in Europe and 10th in the world. We continuously undertake consumer research to ensure our collections meet the market expectations. We are expanding our range as well as establishing new production lines. At Cersanit, we welcome new challenges and set ambitious goals. We invest in modern technologies and people. We always succeed as a team, and we seek to move forward into the future. One team, Cersanit.